wiring up my radio all the way down there. So I got the radio going. So now we can talk. Radio on over here. So pretty good. Pretty good. Well, that's going. Get the new camera, the Max 2. I'm gonna do a review of it first, and then we're gonna be installing Kevin's radio.
Okay.
Call you boys until your dinner's done.
All right.
Alright.
Alrighty.
Alright, bye.
Bye.
Turn on.
Uh-oh. Don't tell me it's dead. That's the volume. Uh-oh.
Where's your walkie?
Right here.
Okay. And then Roger, Roger.
Roger, Roger, loud and clear.
It works. It works, guys.